Hello and welcome to the world of KeriKit, where you will find stunning bags that will help to keep you effortlessly organised no matter what you have in store each day. Now today I'm taking you around the Thor. I would say it's the new Thor because it's new for this season, but actually it was around about 4 years ago, and by popular demand we are bringing it back with a few modifications, which now means I absolutely love this bag. Now we have it in 3 colours for the moment. We have it in the lovely olive, we have it in the black, and we have it in the fiesta. I'm going to take you around the outside of the bag first, and then we'll dive inside, and then I'm going to show it you packed up in 2 different ways. One if you're out for a day with your child, and one if you're out enjoying precious me time or heading into work. So let's start with the beautiful black one. I'm just going to move these to the side for a second. So around the outside of the bag, let's begin. We have this beautiful buckle at the front with a hidden mag closure underneath. Makes it very easy to get inside, but also there is a lip around the edge. That means that it's going to hold it in place a little bit more. Once you've got it locked on and the bag is full, it's not just going to pop off. So that's really great. The correction, or maybe the modification, that we have made to this bag is this is now fixed in place, so you can't lose it. We have had a couple go astray over the years from our customers, so this is no longer an option. This will stay in place. This buckle cannot come off. So turning around to the side of the bag, you've got these nice little D-rings at the side that can attach to your pram if you need them to, or you can hang one of our little charms on there. Around the back of the bag here, we have this nice long security zip pocket, and it's a really deep pocket, guys, so you can fit. It goes all the way to the edge. It's also padded, so when you put your laptop or your iPad in the back section of this bag, you're going to be nice and protected, and the bag is going to be super comfortable to carry. We have 2 side pockets, which later on I'll show you how they fit a bottle in there perfectly. Of course, we have these lovely grab handles at the top. Really nice, really strong, really sturdy, and nice and big. So you've got plenty of room there to grab and go. And then we've got these nice adjustable padded straps. This is on the shorter setting. I am a size 10. You've got that on the shorter setting. There is still a fair amount of room, but you have got the option to make them longer if you need to. And it's just a really nice, neat way. There are no dangling straps hanging down. So there you have it, the beautiful Thor. We're now going to have a little look inside. So let's look inside, shall we, the Fiesta as a little change. So I've just popped on this strap. This is a really lovely way of carrying your bag or adding a bit of bling if you want to. This is a separate purchase. This is the Gretchen, and this is the studded version, and it just allows you to have a grab and go option with your bag if you want to, that you can just throw it over your shoulder, and then the rest of the time you can just have it hanging there. Didn't design the strap to do that. They designed the strap to go on other bags, but the kit girls, they're amazing, and that's the whole point of KeriKit, is that you build the kit around what you need, and they wanted to have an option to have a strap on there. So what they did is they took the Gretchen, they added it to the Thor and the Amber, and lo and behold, you now have a shoulder strap option. So let's dive inside. So inside the front here, you've got this nice light coloured waterproof jacquard flap, and then you've got this lovely drawstring to give you easy access into the bag. When you close it up, it stays in place perfectly, and obviously the mag dot holds it. You can always pop a quick loop in it if you want to for added security, and that's entirely up to you. So let's open her up and let's dive inside. So one of the other modifications that we have made is we've been now able to bind the interior. You know I love a bound interior, guys. The reason I love a bound interior is it means all the pockets stay in place. And for me, that's really imperative when you're purchasing a bag. So on the inside here, you can see we've got our security pocket, we've got a pen holder, we've got a nice center section slip pocket, and that's a great place to put your sunglasses or your poppy, and you've got your little dog clip there, which is great for attaching your keys or a dummy or a pacifier. Around the outside, you've got these lovely elasticated pockets, 2 of which are insulated, so that makes them great if you're trying to take baby bottles out with you and you want to keep them warm or cool for longer periods. Now the other cool little addition is that we've added this mag dot. We used to always have this center, this double compartment, but now with this mag dot, it really holds the back section closed when you don't want to have it open, and before that wasn't an option. So this is a huge improvement, which I really love on what we've done with the bag. And in here, you've got a nice padded section. It's just a separate section to the rest of the bag. So how you divide up your things is entirely up to you. But one thing you can put in here is an iPad. Standard size, fits in perfectly. So it's a great place to put your tech at the back of the bag, separate from everything else. Or you can have this as your own mummy pocket, and then all your other paraphernalia or work, gym, bits and bobs can all go in the main compartment of the bag. giving you really easy access to your purse and your phone and things that you might want to be able to have easy access to, simply sitting at the back of the bag. So that's the bag, looking at it from the outside and the inside empty. Now I'm going to show you this beautiful bag all laid out for a day in the office, heading out for work, or enjoying some precious me time. Okay, so I've opted for the olive just so you can enjoy this exquisite colour while I take you around the inside of the bag. I've set it out now for just a day out, really, just doing your thing, busy. So let's dive inside and I'll show you how I've got it packed up. So there are so many options of how to pack up your bags. As you know, with the kit bags, it's all about you pack it however you really want to. So in the back section here, first of all, I've packed an iPad. So that slides in there nicely. It doesn't have a case on it, but you've probably got about 2 centimetres worth of room, so you could probably still fit that in nice and easily with a case, but obviously you don't need a case with this because it's all padded as well. In the front section, I've put my water bottle on the inside just for today, just so that the outside keeps this nice sleek exterior. So you've got your medication pocket at the back, or a place to put your feminine hygiene needs. Anything that you don't want people to see, great place to put it. I've got my keys hanging here, and obviously lots of cars now you don't actually need your key fob as long as you've got it on you. So that's a great place just to have it hanging there. I've got my poppy in the centre compartment, and I've attached it to the dog clip. So that's just a really great way of having, knowing where it is. Obviously it's got its own pocket anyway, so that's perfect. But this is a great way to be able to get it out, use it if you need to, and not be able to let anyone get their hands in there and take it without you knowing. And then we've got our little pen holder on the side there. And then we've got these lovely packing cubes. Oh my God, guys. So these are the new Rosie packing cubes. In here today, I've got my sunglasses. They're just really handy. There's so many ways you can pack these up. Entirely up to you, but great for sunglasses, great for snacks, perfect for makeup and pens and things like that. So I've got my Rosie packing cube, and then I've got just some toiletries right at the front here. Hopefully you can see those. Just right at the front. Now, as I said, you've got so many options. So I've got one of my Sullivan packing pouches in here today. That's just got some makeup, it's got some cables, it's got some hand sanitizer. You could very easily fit all 3 of them, of the packing pouches in here, and still have room for a jumper in the top. I've just put one in there today. Now, just to show you quickly a few ways that you can mix up your interior. If you don't need to take your iPad out for the day, you could always slide instead your beautiful matching Vicky journal cover. This has got a normal A5 bullet journal in there, so you've got the opportunity of putting really anything that you want inside there. This is an amazing product. I cannot be without my Vicky now, and that can slide really nicely down in there. Plenty of room, and if you wanted to slide your iPad in as well, there is room to put them both in, okay? So it's a little TARDIS, this bag. You have got more room than you might think. So in the front section again, I put the bottle on the inside, but you can very easily slide it in there, in it goes. Not going to move around at all, nice and secure. And we made these pockets shorter this time. They used to come around further to the front. And I liked them, but they didn't really serve a purpose. Now I've made them a bit shorter. You can see they hold everything in there really perfectly. We've got our lovely little charm. Now this is set quite far back on the bag. That's so that the bag sits nicely on any pram. So if you wanted to see this more, very simple. You can just unclip it and pop it there instead, and just have it hanging in the front. Hides a bit of the bottle if you want it to, which is quite nice. And so that's everything really on the green. I think the only other things to mention is, like, obviously if you have a computer, you could always take this out and you could always put your mouse in, things that you want to be able to find easily. That pocket is so cute, has so many little options of what you can put in there. And again, I was mentioning to you before with one of the bags I'm going to show you afterwards that you can always add your Gretchen strap. Another strap that you can add instead is the crossbody strap. So this is the wide leather crossbody strap. We have it to match all the bags in our range, unless it has sold out, but I think we're okay. And that can just clip onto the D-rings as well. And it just gives you the option, if you don't want backpack mode, to be able to throw it over your shoulder, carry it easily as a shoulder option. For those times when you just don't want to put the backpack on straight away, or like just like running from the car, lots of people do like to have this opportunity to switch it out between backpack and shoulder pad. So I just wanted to show that to you. So there you have it, the beautiful Thor with the shoulder strap option, all set out for a day, just being you, enjoying precious me time or heading into the office. Now I'm going to show you the same bag, all laid out for a day with your baby.